Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going over my New York wish list. I am headed to New York in April. My friend Anna, she invited me as her guest to the Hermès Private Sale, and I can't be more excited. So I thought we could break down all of the items I wanted to check out while I'm in New York. But before we do, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get into the New York wish list. So a quick backstory. My friend Anna and I, we know each other from me being a content creator on this channel and over on Instagram. So every time she's over in Chicago, we hang out, check out some luxury shops, go to some fabulous restaurants because we are foodies. And last time I chatted with her, I told her it would be amazing if I could go visit her in New York. So lo and behold, I get this text on a Thursday night after 10. And she tells me that she was invited to the Hermès Private Sale and wanted to know if I wanted to be her +1. I go to bed at 9 o'clock, so I did not see this text until the very next morning. This was the best text to wake up to. It says, Hermès Paris invites you to the private sale, women's and men's ready to wear, shoes, hats, silks, ties, clothing, fashion accessories. So of course I get back to her, find a flight, I get registered, and we are all set to go to the sale. Let's talk about what I think I would love to find in this sale. So one item I thought about finding in the sale is another bracelet. It could be a more muted color bracelet. I think a pink colored bracelet. I'm really into pinks, light pinks lately, so I think that would be a beautiful addition to a lot of my fashion bracelets. The other one is gonna be a cashmere silk scarf, and let me show you, I have two of them in my collection, so I'd love to add like a third one. This was the last scarf I had when I purchased my Birkin bag. You guys remember that one. And then this one's my very first cashmere silk scarf, and this is a neutral lover's dream. So I think it'd be fun if I had one, again, probably in some type of colorway, but we will see. This is an item that's also on my wish list, so I think that would be a fabulous find, and perhaps even ready to wear. I don't have anything in terms of ready to wear from the brand yet. I've contemplated it. While I'm in New York, I also want to check out the Short Hills Mall. This has all the luxury designer boutiques, so we're going to start with Hermes. These are going to be full price items, but there is one pair of sandals that I'm obsessed with. And let me start that. If I don't find them at this boutique, then I will probably order them from my home boutique in Chicago. And I'm on a pink kick lately, guys, so just bear with me. But these are the Santorini sandals in this rose can color. Okay, these are beautiful. I don't have the Santorinis. Of course, obsessed with the Oasis. I have probably too many Oasis sandals, so I love that this is different for the collection. In this color, it is stunning. That's probably like my #1 item on this whole entire wish list, other than the private sale. I'm not counting that. I'm on a hunt for the sandals. So rose can, Santorini, we need to make it happen. And since I'm in the Hermes boutique, I may have to check out that fragrance. Last Hermes haul video, I talked about some of the fragrances. There's that Mediterranean fragrance that with spring and summer weather now in Chicago, that I think this would be the perfect addition. So I'm gonna try to check that out as well. Let's get into some handbags. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I am obsessed with Bottega Veneta, but can you blame me? My wish list, I talked about adding a burgundy bag. Just when I thought that this Bottega Andiamo bag in the burgundy, I was pretty much like, okay, I'm really feeling the Andiamo. It's that beautiful burgundy shade. But then they introduced the Ciao Ciao. This was a bag I featured in my new spring bags video, and the more I see it, the more I can't get this out of my head. But my essay Brandon, he just showed me some more beautiful pictures of this bag, and the slouch, the smushy leather, the color. I think this is all the checks when it comes to the perfect burgundy bag for me. I have to check it out. This is a pricey bag at $5,900. I think this is just a beautiful bag. This is probably like my #1 bag right now that I'm obsessing over. And of course the Andiamo, I still like the Andiamo. I've been going back and forth about the Andiamo for some time. And finally, I thought that if I do add the Andiamo toe, it'd probably be in the burgundy toe. And then it all went sideways once the Ciao Ciao came in town. So hello, goodbye, Ciao Ciao, right? Anyways, the next item is the cutest bag charm, and it's from Fendi, and it's this Mille bag charm. And you know what? I think it would look fabulous with the Row Margot jam bag. Let me go grab it for us. Here is my jam bag. Could you just see the cutest Fendi bag charm? It would look so nice against the jam. It'd be so cute. The jam and the little pot of Fendi goodness, so cute. Because it's so minimal, I think it would look really good with a little bit of something, whether it's a twilly or the cutest bag charm from Fendi. This will be the bag I take to New York, so you can see how that bag charm, if they have it, how it'll look. So you guys will have to let me know what your thoughts on it, especially if you like bag charms or don't like bag charms. What do you think of the Fendi and the Margot combination with it? I think it would look so good. The next item I want to check out is a cropped trench, and not just any cropped trench. It's from Burberry. Of course, if you're gonna go big, especially with trenches, you gotta go to the iconic Burberry. This is my mango crop trench. You can see the silhouette here, and I really enjoy it, but I thought, you know, it might be a great step up. I wanna check out the Burberry one. And I like how this one, it's worth like $1,900. This is a beautiful jacket. It just looks so luxe. I think the honey would look great against my skin tone. It's a little bit more warmer. I like how it says that it's a relaxed fit. It's a looser cut than the regular fit, because I'm a little bit of a curvy petite. So for me, whenever Burberry has that type of fit, it seems to work best with my body. But yes, I think this is super cute, and I just like the way how it drapes. Let's talk about my last item. Chicago starts coming alive in the spring months. We are over the winter weather, so what better way to celebrate than with some colorful prints? I am obsessed with this romper. Everything about it I love. The print, the colorway, it's totally me. I also have a thing for matching sets. I love this one in the pale yellow. I think it would look so good with my Lady Dior and drink in hand. Okay guys, well that is it for today's video. Let me know what your thoughts are, some of my items from my wish list. I love to hear it in the comments below. And if you have any recommendations while I am in New York, I love to hear it. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.